Ever pondered over the process of creating a study area map in ArcMap? Welcome to the fascinating world of ArcMap, an invaluable tool for geographic information systems, or GIS, that allows us to visualize, query, and analyze geospatial data. It's like having a world atlas, a customizable map creator, and a high-tech data analyzer all in one. Now, let's talk about study area maps. These are specialized maps that focus on a specific geographical area for detailed study. They're essential for GIS students and professionals alike, providing an in-depth look at a region's terrain, population, climate, and more. Mastering the creation of study area maps in ArcMap not only sharpens your GIS skills, but also equips you to handle complex spatial data, make informed decisions, and present your findings effectively. Whether you're investigating climate change patterns or planning urban development, these maps are your key to unlocking a wealth of knowledge. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process of creating a study area map in ArcMap. Firstly, you need to gather your data. Let's dive right into it. The data you'll need depends on the specifics of your study area. You might need topographic data, which can provide a detailed look at the physical features of your area. Or perhaps demographic data is more relevant, offering insights into population trends and social aspects. Environmental data, like climate or vegetation information, can also be vital. Where do you get this data? Well, there are numerous reliable sources online where you can access and import geographical data. Remember, the key is to have accurate and up-to-date data. It's the foundation of your map, and without it, your study area map might lead to incorrect conclusions. So, take your time. Ensure your data is reliable, comprehensive, and most importantly, relevant to your study. Once your data is ready, you can move on to the next step. Now that your data is all set, it's time to prepare your map. As we delve into the heart of our map creation process, the first step is to add the data you've gathered into ArcMap. This is a simple process of using the Add Data button and navigating to where your data file is stored. Once your data is in place, the next step revolves around setting up your map layout. Think of the layout as the stage where your data will perform. It's crucial to adjust the scale and orientation of your map for better visualization. This could mean zooming in or out to get the right perspective, or rotating the map to better fit your layout. Remember, your layout is the first impression viewers get of your study area. A well-prepared layout effectively communicates your data, making it easy for viewers to understand what they're looking at. With your map prepared, we can now move on to the final step. Now, we will finalize and export your study area map. Every great map has a few essential elements. These elements are not just decorative additions, but they play a significant role in making our map understandable and useful. The first element we need to add is the title. The title should be clear and concise, giving the viewer an immediate understanding of the map's purpose. Next, we add a legend. This is where we explain the symbols and colors used on our map. Be sure to keep it simple, yet informative. Remember, the legend is there to aid understanding, not confuse the viewer. Now let's add a scale bar. This gives the viewer a sense of the distances involved. Without a scale, it's impossible to accurately judge the size of the area we're studying. Lastly, we add the north arrow. This is crucial for orientation. It shows which way is north and helps the viewer understand the map's layout in relation to the world around them. Once we have all these elements, we arrange them for an optimal layout. This is more of an art than a science, but a few tips can help. Try to balance the elements around the edge of the map and don't let any one element dominate. Remember, the map is the star of the show, not the title or the legend. Once we're satisfied with our layout, we save our map. ArcMap gives us several options for how to save. We can save it as a project to continue working on it later, or we can export it as an image for use in reports or presentations. We can even export it as a PDF for easy sharing and printing. And there you have it. You've created your study area map in ArcMap. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and learning.